back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I am going to show you how I style my bookcase. You guys know I love restoration hardware. I am so inspired by all the looks I see. You can get their catalogs for free. So I have ordered a bunch of those and they have left me so inspired. Well, you know, restoration hardware uses very large scale pieces in their design. So not everyone can pull off those large pieces. Most everyone, like myself, have regular sized homes. Well, today I am going to show you how I picked up some items from the thrift store. And speaking of thrift store, I hope you guys are enjoying my videos on how to thrift for restoration hardware inspired pieces. If so, please give them a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. It would so help out my channel, especially if you are enjoying the videos, so YouTube will push them out to more people. I am inspired by your comments. I think you guys are loving the content. So if so, please make sure you subscribe, smash that notification bell, like, and comment. But to get back to today's video, so I'm going to show you how I style my bookcases. We are going to use smaller items. I showed you in a thrift haul some items that I had picked up from the Goodwill that I am going to be using to style my bookcases. Again, restoration hardware uses very large, oversized pieces in their design. So that would look odd if you were to try to put those same size pieces into a regular size home. So today I'm going to show you on a smaller scale how to recreate that restoration hardware inspired vibe in your own home. So if you are new here, my name is Sheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating my home with style on a budget and try to make it look more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you are into as well, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. So without further ado, let's get into our project. All right, so now we are going to work on these little vases that we picked up from the Goodwill. I am going to lightly sand these to rough up the texture, so it will take a coat of paint a lot better. Let's give it a light sand. Okay, that might be too fine a grit, so we're going to go in with this one. Our first coat of paint. All right, so here is how our bowls have turned out. As you can see, there's still the original color on the bottom. I didn't paint the bottom because we're not going to see it, but these are so cute and I love the way they turned out. So we are going to take these little bowls. Again, I picked these up from the Dollar Tree, or not the Dollar Tree. I picked these up from the Goodwill and they were 99 cents each. And today's video is part of a collaboration that is hosted seasonally by Hilary from My Old World Home, and it is the $5 Goodwill Challenge. So I did not spend $5, we spent $2. So I think that's even better. And we're going to take our little bowls and we're going to take some books that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, as well as my DIY books that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree. If you are interested in that video, I will leave a link in the description box below, as well as in the iCards above. So let me show you what my bookcase looks like currently. Alright, so this is how my bookcase is currently styled. I like it, there's nothing wrong with it. I love it, but we are going to tweak it a little bit. So this is how my first bookcase looks. And if we go over here, this is how the second bookcase is looking. So again, nothing wrong with it. We are just going to tweak them a little bit and give them a Restoration Hardware inspired look. Okay, so there was a lot of glare from when I was styling the bookcase, so I've opened the windows or the doors so that you can see exactly how it looks. I love it. It is giving me Restoration Hardware vibes, even though our bookcase is on a smaller scale and we are using smaller scaled items. I think it really gives the look, and that is what we are going for. The again, books came from the Dollar Tree. We just painted them, some of them anyway. This little vase came from the Goodwill. I absolutely love the way it looks in the cabinet. The cabinet is dark and the white just pops. This little piece I picked up, I want to say from Overstock or Wayfair. I will see if I can find a link and leave it down below. If not, you can Google. It's like a disc and possibly find it. This piece came from Thrifting, again from the Goodwill. The owl came from Overstock or Wayfair. And my family and I, especially when the girls were little, love playing Monopoly. So of course I had to get this Monopoly game, and I like the aesthetic of it. It is so cute. And I even got the little car to represent the little race car that you see in the game. And I think it just looks really great here, and it goes well with the bookcase styling. So this is how my first bookcase is looking. Now let's go look at the second one. Alright, so here is how the second bookcase is looking. Again, I had to open the doors because of the glare, but I absolutely love how this came together as well. We are using the DIY books that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I did a video on that, so if you missed that video, I will leave a link in the description box below, as well as in the iCards above. Again, we are using the other little vase that we picked up from the Goodwill that we painted white, along with another book from the Goodwill and a book on architecture that I picked up from Amazon. I will leave that link down below in case you are interested. The decorative objects I picked up from Wayfair and Overstock, I believe. And the little hourglass in the back, I picked that up from TJ Maxx, but I like it and I keep it in this cabinet. And the white vase I picked up from eBay years and years ago, and I keep pine cones in it, and I think it looks perfect for fall. I don't do a lot of decorating for fall, but I think I will give you guys just a little tiny home tour, or maybe not even a tour, just to look around my living room for fall and possibly the lounge. But if you have enjoyed today's video where I showed you how you can take something on a smaller scale to recreate the Restoration Hardware vibe, please give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. It helps my channel out a lot. And it also lets YouTube know that you are enjoying the content so they can push it out to more people. But I absolutely love the way this came together, and I hope you do as well. Again, it is giving me Restoration Hardware inspired vibes on a smaller scale. So if you have enjoyed today's video, I hope you become a member if you are not already subscribed. I want to thank you so much to all my returning friends and family members. You guys leave such awesome comments, and you are always so supportive. I so much appreciate you. And if you are new here, My name is Cheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating with style on a budget, and I love trying to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So again, if that is something you are into as well, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. So I want to thank Hilary for hosting this collaboration. It was so much fun. I always enjoy participating in the $5 Goodwill Challenge. I will leave a link to Hilary's channel down below, as well as a link of the playlist of all the participants. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye, friends. Bookcase looks like currently.